What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can insert an image directly within the cell in Microsoft Excel. So the more traditional way of inserting images in Excel is to have the image over your cells where it would just kind of float around. But placing your image within your cell is great because it makes it to where the image will size and move kind of in line with your other data. So to do this, you go to the Insert tab, then click on Illustrations. Then after click on Illustrations, you can click on Pictures. And here you will have two options where you can place the image within the cell, or the more traditional, place the image over the cell. In this example, we want to place an image within the cell, and you can have the image inserted for your device, stock images, or have it from online pictures. This example, I'm going to have it inserted from stock images. And an example of stock image is going to be a wheel, right? Let's just say this wheel, for example, and then just click on Insert. Give it a second for it to download and load, and as you can see, we have an image of a wheel in Excel. And the image size will adjust with the size of the cell. So we changed the 550 to 100. As you can see, the size of the image got larger. Now, let's just say we want to insert an image of a tire, for example. We can do the same thing. Go to Illustrations, go to Pictures, Place in Cell, Stock Images. We can click on Tire. And Alt HOH 100, and now I have an image of a tire. And one thing that's great too is that this will kind of move in line with some of our other data. So, for example, if we filter for something that's just a tire, click OK. As you can see, you have a tire and a visual illustration of the tire. And if we filter for just the wheel, or just the wheel, then we will have the image of the wheel, which is great because if you have data, you might want to have a visual representation of what exactly the data is. This can help make it to where you will have a more visual representation of your data and kind of exactly what it means. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.